In this video, I will show you how to use Chrome key on the CapCut for green screen. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your CapCut mobile application. Once you will open it, first of all you have to select the main video, and once you will do it, now you have to click on the overlay from your main menu. Once you will click on the main menu, now you have to click on the add overlay and select the green screen video. And once you will do it, now select this video from here, and you have to click on the Chrome key from here. Once you will click on the Chrome key, now you have to select the green color from your video and click on the intensity and do like this. Now click on the tick button and play the video. You will see green screen is removed. So in this way you can use Chrome key for green screen on your CapCut application. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.